Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that jobless token. Now before I start the video, say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose or on research for the investing. According to the website, jobless, the law of jobless. It's all began with a simple tweet from CZ. According to website, the man who saved the crypto world a tweet that doesn't mean to build a empire. It sparked something unexpected, a new kind of meme, a new kind of movement, jobless. In the moment, a world usually carried sadness was flipped into hope and laughter. The community saw themselves in it. The greeders, the dozens of builders, all those who know the UPS and down of crypto fall. From a playful spark, jobless grew into a symbol of real resilience. It is the coin of the hustlers who lost it all come back stronger. For dream who fresh starts at 3 a.m. For the one of who laugh at the chaos and still keep going. Jobless is not just a meme, it is the anthem of everyone who fell down and rose again. It's proof that even the nothing a single tweet can create a story, a culture and a community. Jobless token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion. Jobless token. Jobless token is listed on xt.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances is that it is a legit project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.